Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have come down to pick up my Ambi from Ambassador Garage. I'm walking to them right now. Came by Uber, and I thought I'll have a small walk. It's really early in the morning, it's around 6, and I'm really excited to get this car. There she is, guys. All done. Well, the primary work's done, but isn't she a beaut? So guys, it's been a week since I dropped my car off here at Ambassador Garage, and most of the works are done. She looks really nice. I think they might have washed it, and so I'm really excited. All of the major works, well, the major mechanical works are done for now. It still needs to be painted. There's a lot of patchwork to be done. All that in the coming videos. So guys, this is my Ambi, and if you haven't watched part 1, I highly recommend you watch that video. But basically this is my 2002 Ambi. It used to be a Navy car. The owner before me bought it off of the auctions, and I bought it off of him. This used to be a 1800cc petrol engine, and it has been converted to a 2000cc Isuzu diesel. Not by me, by the previous owner. But the Navy plates are still very, very visible. We have the beacon light holder over there. We have a lot of holes in the body. These are not rust holes. Well, basically these are the holes for the wiring for the lights and the PA system. And it is black with this blue cloth interior. Let me see if it's open. She's open. And it's kind of this suede kind of a fabric on the seats. It's a little dirty. We'll get that done. The roof lining is of the same material as well. No power steering on this car, no AC. Have to get that installed. It's a must. Handbrake on the side, that is pretty unique. And what else is there? The body shape and the body lines of this car are immaculate, but it has a little bit of patchwork to be done. So next stage is AC. After that, for sure we'll be painting and denting, all those good stuff. But I think for such an old car, the body lines are very nice. You can see here it says MPFI. This used to be the old petrol engine. That's no longer, that sticker is no longer valid. It has a 2000cc Isuzu diesel. So the paint on camera looks amazing. I'm just looking at my screen right now, and you might be thinking, what the hell is wrong with this car? But if you zoom in a little bit, there are these paint scuffs, the paint chips, and there is like this. Someone has tried to really spray paint. That's gone wrong, and it needs a little work. We're missing a side view mirror. Guys. So this is the Ambi, and once again, I'm standing here at Ambassador Garage. We are an Ambassador Specialist Workshop here. I'll leave their contact information in the description below. Please do check them out. Very highly recommended from Facebook, and I am really happy with their work. I test drove this car a few days ago and I was really happy. So now it's time for delivery. And just to show you guys what else they have going on, this is a 124 Mercedes which is being totally overhauled. Everything is getting stripped down. They even took the engine out. It is madness, the level of detail they take. And you might be thinking, why don't I get my car restored from them? Well, basically the full restoration process takes around 6 to 7 months, depending. It takes around 6 months, and I don't want to wait that long. I just want to enjoy my car. So maybe I'll get them to get my car restored, but just for now I want to drive it and just want to experience the whole Ambi. I can't be separated from my cars for that long. And what else do we have here? This is one of their projects which is nearing completion. This is an all white Ambassador. It's actually pearl white. It's not the basic Ambassador white. Looks really good. The interiors are all stripped out, getting upholstery done. The bodywork which they offer is immaculate. Just look at this car. It is pristine. This is one of their cars. This is the patchwork they do on the chassis. Everything has been reinforced and welded. The level of perfection these guys offer is It's totally amazing. Yep. And some more cars here. This car has to be done. It's a work in progress. This is also a work in progress. Here we have a lot of cars in progress. Well, there's one ambassador, there's the second ambassador, there's the third ambassador, there's a fourth ambassador, and there are 2 or 3 more. And there, oops, nearly stepped on this huge puddle of oil. Well, is this from my car? Well, my car was leaking oil really badly, but now that has been fixed. And this car is very special for one reason alone. This is the same 2000cc Isuzu diesel, the same engine on my car, but you can see here, it has a turbo. Yep, it has a turbo. That's amazing. Well, the ambassador did come with a turbo once upon a time and they discontinued it, but this is what they're doing right here. Well, I have managed to source alloy wheels for my car. It is a brand called Rado and they specialize in ambassadors. So it's not brand new, it's pre-owned, but that's the only way you can buy them. That company has been shut down since. So I'll just give you a shot at what it looks like. So guys, these are the alloy wheels I was talking about. There are 15-inch Rado alloy wheels. These was made specifically for the ambassador. They had a bunch of designs. I particularly like this one. They can't be bought new because the company does not exist anymore. These were bought second hand, but finishing is good. And yeah, I'm excited to get alloy wheels on my ambassador. So that is a huge plus and can't wait to get them installed. Maybe today or tomorrow I might go to a tire shop and get them installed. But for now, they look amazing. We have a total of 5, 1 for the stepney and 4 for the tires. That's the only way you can buy them. You can't buy them as 4, you can only buy them as 5. Guys, a bit of bad luck. Well, the car has run out of battery and this is around 6:30 in the morning, so you can't get a new battery at this time. So I'm going back home and have work. So I'll go to office and I'll pick up the car most probably today evening after it gets a new battery. But yeah, this is expected when you are trying to restore an older car. So it's not a big loss. I was expecting things to go wrong, but yeah, things happen. And well, I just woke up really early in the morning for nothing. So that's a bummer. But yeah, in all good faith, I might get the car today evening. So looking forward to that. And yeah guys, so keep watching.